Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite dressings that I like to make for my salads. That way I know what is inside of them, they're healthy, and of course they're yummy. First one I'm starting off with is my Green Goddess, which has my avocado, cucumber, dill, salt, pepper, and oregano. My lemon, which actually helps the avocado not to turn, and then of course milk. I used almond milk. They requested for me to use coconut milk when I first used this recipe, but I personally didn't like it. And of course you can use other type of milk as well. I want you guys to understand that when it comes to a lot of these recipes, you guys can add and subtract anything that you would like. I personally would not subtract the lemon because you definitely need that to make sure that it preserves. The lemon and vinegar preserves sauces. So those are my two go-to things. Vinegar would not taste so well in this, so lemon was the choice. But I want you guys to feel comfortable and confident making your own sauces, mixing other things together, because you never know what you're going to get. Next up, we have our feta cream. Now, of course, you would think it's weird for me to call it feta cream because there's no milk in here, but we do have our yogurt. One thing I really love about the feta cream is I have a little bit of a salty side sometimes that I really have cravings for, so this right here takes care of that. I have my feta, my lemon, my salt, pepper, and oregano, my garlic, a little bit of mayo, and then of course my yogurt. I used Greek yogurt for this, and this is a nice creamy sauce that you can put on your salads, on top of your bowls, anything that you like to kick up the notch. And last but not least, we have our ginger pepper vinaigrette. Now I really love this recipe because I love spice, and the ginger already gives it a nice little kick, but then I also use Scotch bonnet peppers to really bring on the heat. Now we're going to start off with sweet peppers, which I actually boil first, because when you boil vegetables, it makes it so much easier to blend it in the blender. We're going to add my ginger. I also have scallions that I chopped up, which adds a nice little flavor as well. Now, as far as my dry herbs that I'm going to be using, I have salt, pepper, basil, oregano. I'm using apple cider vinegar and also my olive oil to preserve this. Now, you can stop right there, but if you love heat, then I would add the Scotch bonnet pepper. Now, I hope that you guys really love these recipes. You can switch them up if you would like to. These are my personal favorite. And then, of course, tag me so that I can show you guys some love too and post what you have. Thanks for watching.